Hello everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today I am sharing this sweet little butterfly box. It actually is a box that was from one of my customers needed a box for her pens that she was making, and she asked me if I could figure one out, and this is the box. So Candy, I know that I said I wasn't able to get a video out, but I went ahead and did one just in case you needed it. But I did send her the template and everything to create this box. So I am showcasing some of our new in colors that are coming June 4th. So our new catalog goes live June 4th. And if you don't have a demonstrator, I'd be happy to be your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. But I want to show you the pen that she made because she gave me one and I thought it was so adorable. So this is the pen. So she's got a little like ladybug on here, and there's some little charms, and there's another little ladybug, and it's just adorable. So that's the box that I made for this, but it also fit these dove promises. So I had these and I was going to make a box for them, but it fit perfectly. So I'm using the exact same box for this. So this color is Sea Spray or Seaside Spray. I'm still getting used to these new colors. And this is Terracotta Tile. And today we're going to do Rococo Rose for our box. So I wanted to show you and showcase some of the new colors coming. I am using our new 6x6 in color designer series paper. It's really pretty. So we do have some gingham back, which I'm super happy about, but it comes in all 5 of our new in colors, and these also will be available for our color families, which I'm super excited for because I love the patterns and stuff on this. Okay, so let's get started with these measurements. And so this is the Rococo Rose, and this is 8 3/4 by 5. You are going to also need a piece to mat, which I couldn't decide which side to mat it with because I love them both. But since the writing is so pretty on this stamp set, that I decided to just go with the plain side. And well, it's not plain, but it's really pretty. And this mat is 6 by 1 3/8, and then this is 1/2 by 4 1/4. This is for the sentiment, and then you'll need a piece of scrap for the butterfly. And so this also has, I used our new designer's ribbon. This is the scalloped linen ribbon, and this comes in all of our new in colors. It's gorgeous. I love this. It is got like linen in the center here, and then the edges are of course the color of the cardstock. Alright, so the stamp set that I'm using is this Butterfly Wishes. It is beautiful. This coordinates with our Butterfly Duo Punch, which is the one that is with the Butterfly Gala. And that Butterfly Gala is also carrying over into the new catalog, but look how gorgeous this butterfly is. And I believe it cuts out this little one also. So these two are coordinate with that punch. Alright, so let's get scoring this. I'm going to grab my Simply Scored for this. And we are going to start scoring on the 8 3/4 inch side, and we're going to score it at 1/2, 1 1/4, 7 1/2, and 8 1/4. And then you're going to turn it, and you are going to score it at 1/2, at 2, 2 3/4, and 4 1/4. And that is it. Alright, so now to cut this, this is the 1/2 inch side right here. We are going to cut all 4 of these little corners right here off this 4 in the corner. We're going to do exact same thing on both sides. These 4 right here. I got to straighten that out. I got a little bit off. Okay, and then we're going to cut here. You can use your corner rounder or you can just cut with your scissors here. That's just going to fold inside the box. And then you're going to cut up each one of these. There's 2 here. You are going to leave this center one and you're just going to cut this 1/2 inch off of here. And you can cut in these to make them a little bit easier to fold in. And then this one we're going to cut too, because these flaps are folding in also. Now we're going to do the exact same thing on this side. We're going to leave this one alone, and we're cutting this 1/2 inch off on these. And then we're going to trim them. Alright, and then we're going to trim this one here. And that is all the cutting. Now I am going to put a little on the Seaside spray. I forgot to do it, but we're going to put one like this that we did a little notch. It makes it so much easier to open the box. So we are going to do that in the center of this bottom piece, not where the 1/2 inch is, but on the bottom here. And just eyeball it. It doesn't have to be perfect. Alright, so now we're ready to put it together. So let's sharpen all our score marks. Okay, so everything is scored here. Now let's go ahead and put it together. Now you're going to flip it over and you're going to put your adhesive on this side. Use tear and tape or your wet glue. I'm just going to use the Fast Fuse because I have it here still, and it's a lot quicker for the video. Now we're just going to match up our sides here. And this is important to make sure that they are straight. Whenever you do a box, always make sure that they're straight. Okay, and then this is going to fold in, and these are going to fold inside your box. Just like that. So there's your box. We're going to get our Designer Series paper now. And I love this side too. It's so pretty. We're going to add this to the top of our box. I'm going to get out my stamps here and my Rococo Rose. I love doing these like all one color, to do it monochromatic. It's just so pretty. So here's a piece of scrap I'm going to use for my butterfly. So we're going to stamp the butterfly. And it's so pretty. And then we're going to go ahead and stamp the sentiment on this 1/2 inch piece here. Really love the writing on this. Yep. So there is that. Now I'm going to get my Duo butterfly punch, and we're going to punch that out. It's so nice to have another stamp set to use this butterfly punch with. Alright, so now I'm going to grab my ribbon, and I'm going to cut it almost the full length, but not quite. Let's see, I want this one to go this way, and I'm cutting that on an angle. I'm going to use, you can use snail or your Fast Fuse and just run it along the back of your ribbon. And you're going to add it here, and I kind of added it up a little bit because we're only showing part of the ribbon. And then we're going to use some snail for the sentiment. And you just want a little bit of the linen thread showing. I think I need to move that up a little bit. Just like that. And then I'm going to use a glue dot for my butterfly. Now I'm going to lift his wings and kind of curve them so he has a little bit of dimension, and then just add a couple glue dots on his body, and then you're going to set it on the side here. Let me make sure my sentiment is not covered. Alright, so there you have it. This is the Rococo Rose, Terracotta Tile, and the Seaside Spray. We have two other colors, which is Purple Posy and Pretty Peacock. And this would be beautiful in all of the colors, I'm sure. So I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. That helps me out a lot. And hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. I always get questions on why they don't get notifications, and you have to hit that little bell to get the notifications. So that is it. So I hope you all have a blessed day, and I will catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.